I want to solve Grandma's riddle.
So, here's the riddle. Today, I'd like you to look.
Look at what?
At this picture. What do you see?
It's a mane!
That's right. It's a mane. Who does this mane belong to?
Oh, come on. That's so easy.
If it's so easy, then what's the answer?
We don't have a mane like that. It's not ours. Maybe it belongs to a mouse.
That's not what a mouse looks like. Mice don't have manes.
Then whose mane is it? Maybe it's mine. Do I have a mane? Is that my mane?
That's not what you look like. You don't have a mane like that at all.
Too bad. It's a really nice mane. We know. It's a frog's mane. That's the funniest frog I've ever seen.
That's not what a frog looks like.
So whose mane is it?
Whose?
Friends, that's a lion's mane.
Of course. I knew it was a lion's mane.
Great! Now we all know who has such a beautiful mane, right?
The lion! The lion!
It's time to go home, guys. Thank you for the riddle, Grandma. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye!
See you soon!